we are one step closer to automation.
Jarvis in a box.
After unicycling, I could do a juggling lesson with the Hacksmith.
Ooh.
New location. Go ahead by house time.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. We have tons of behind the scenes content this week, including a special package for me. I'm going to learn how to juggle, and Alex is going to show us some of his automation he's been doing.
What's up?
What's up? Are you ready to juggle?
I'm always ready to juggle.
Ooh. Oh! You make it seem so easy.
Years of training. So, the goal is to show Jessica that I can juggle these. So, she should let me juggle these.
You made those?
I did make them with the plasma cutter.
Okay, so I was gonna have Caleb juggle a couple axes because he knows how to do it, but Jessica HR is not too confident that he won't hurt himself. So let's see what she thinks of the hatchet. Jessica.
No.
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 No. Uh-oh. Ooh, ooh! Alright, let's go. Wrong way.
The unicycle. What is this?
Yeah,
Amateur hour?
Yeah. Where's the unicycle, Caleb?
It's on the wall.
All right, let's get on the unicycle.
Oh, he did it.
That was probably not a great intro. For the vlog, I was trying to convince you that I can juggle these, so you should let me juggle hatchets.
Do the hatchet?
Yeah. They're nice and dull.
Wow, this is not going well,
This is
Caleb.
really not going well. I walked all the way over here successfully.
Yeah. Can you juggle?
Working on it.
You ride a unicycle, Caleb?
I can ride a unicycle and I can juggle,
At the same time?
but I haven't done it at the same time before.
Are you impressed?
Yeah, pretty good. I still won't let him do the hatchets though.
No.
Okay.
Mission failed. Oh, he's going.
Going.
That is so fast. Since when are unicycles so fast? Safety first.
Safety first. After unicycling, I could do a juggling lesson with the Hacksmith.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, he's doing it.
Got a whopping 1 catch.
You are known for riding the unicycle sometimes.
Not well.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. So, what are the challenges when doing this, apart from...
With the bike, you only have to balance on one axis because you can go side to side. Whereas on the unicycle, you have to balance on 2 axes because you can fall forwards and backwards. You control the side to side by wobbling, and you control the forward and back by pedaling faster or slower, and also by wobbling.
Oh, oh, he's doing it.
1, 2.
Oh, 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 that was pretty good.
Pretty good. All right. I'm ready to learn how to juggle.
You start with 1 ball because everyone can throw 1 ball. So what you try to do is throw it super consistently in a little bit of an arc.
You guys are synchronized. Okay, 1 ball. Mastered. You mastered the 1 ball.
2 balls now.
We have the 2 balls. And what you want to do is you throw 1 up. When it reaches its peak, you throw the other one underneath in like an X pattern. You go throw, throw, catch, catch. And you have that same interval between the throw and the catch, which means you're throwing at a consistent height. So everyone thinks you want to juggle like this, but that's really hard when you have 3 balls in your hand. And then you work until you can just consistently do that at the same rhythm.
What's the trick with 3 balls?
So with 3 balls, there's no trick. You just do the thing with 2 balls, but you do it the whole time.
But where does the 3rd one go?
The 3rd one goes here. So what you do is you start with 2 in one hand, And it's just like the 2-ball throw. You throw up, up, and then as you're catching this second ball, you throw the other one.
Seems so simple when you've only ever got 2 balls in hand. You only ever have 1 ball in the air.
Yeah.
I think that's the problem. It's always like, oh, da, 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 da. And you're like, ah!
Oh, you were doing it.
That was 2.
Oh,
That was
damn.
As you'll notice, Ogden and James are running forward when they're juggling because they're juggling in 3 dimensions, but you only want to juggle in 2 dimensions. You want to only throw the balls on a plane in front of you, so you're not throwing them forward and backwards, you're just throwing them side to side.
That's
actually really good.
not bad.
For a first try.
3 dimensions, Bogdan. Gotta think in 2D.
How's James doing for a first timer?
He's progressing pretty well.
Yeah.
I can say that it took me multiple weeks before I got to 3 balls.
What's all of this? What's this?
That's not cleaned yet. Don't film that section. It's a bit aggressive on the camera.
What's all of this?
So we have a little issue here is that when somebody rings a doorbell, we have absolutely no clue of which doorbell it is, which side. We got 2 doors at Unit 5, 1 door at Unit 3. Somebody rings the doorbell, people run left and right, and in the end, the person ends up walking around the building to get to a door that's functional. So what I'm going to be making here is a speaker that is going to announce which door is actually being rung, and it's quite simple to actually do that. We're going to be using an ESP8266. This device is called a DF Player Mini. There's a Pro version of it that has memory on board, but we're going to use one with an SD card. So that's the general idea. We're going to have it, when you press the button on the doorbell, makes an audio thing, talks to you, tells you what's been pressed, where it's been pressed. But the thing is, what I'm going to do is, additionally, I got some audio clips from a game called Division, and these audio clips are of the computer-generated AI called Isaac, whatever that acronym stands for. I don't know.
New location guarded by hostile.
I don't think that's gonna work for the shop, but maybe there's a better audio clip. Yeah, here, this makes sense for every once in a while.
Immediate medical assistance needed.
Okay, so these are all the components that we will need. This is a USB power supply. It's a regular USB 5 volts, nothing really special. Speaker, little PCB board. I already soldered the LED on there just because I accidentally glued it on permanently already, so I can't take it off to show you guys. And then we're gonna make an acrylic case for it. I do have a version of it. This is a test version. This is what it looks like in general. Currently, a lot of hot glue and a lot of mess.
And a switch.
Yeah. And a switch, yeah. That's, let me show you the software. Well, since we're using the ESP8266, you could just run regular Arduino code on it.
So what does the code do?
So the library that we're going to be using whenever we receive an MQTT message that the device is listening to, and all of the library lets you do is to simplify the once that happens, the system MQTT. So in short, in the code, we talk to the ESP8266 over Wi-Fi. We tell it to send a signal through pins D5, D4 into this thing, and we send it a single line command stating do this, do that, and it plays the audio clips. Pretty simple. And in here, we got a itty bitty SD card. How long ago was it that you've seen 256 megabyte SD cards?
Never.
So what we do with this SD card is we need to create a specific folder structure for it. So you'd create a folder and you would call it 0001. Very fancy. And then you go into here. From here on out, you just do 0002. Next thing that you do is essentially you're gonna need to probably have a off-site little table of what's 0102. Like this is like announcements. The other o's music. The other one is something else. So you wouldn't know which files to pick. Yeah. Otherwise, it's once you name them. So I think they're probably done with the laser cutter. So let's go see Tyler and get it cut. And wait, transition.
Tyler.
I don't even know what's going on.
We need a laser cut.
You are not worthy.
Get roasted.
It seems to be cutting pretty okay for that part.
Thanks, Tyler.
So while the laser's still cutting it, I'm going to start soldering these pieces together. So let me first assemble them on the board to see how I'm going to lay it out.
happening? What's going on?
Tyler's here.
I got the pot. What's up?
So much energy. Awesome. Thanks, Tyler.
Thanks, Tyler.
I'm gonna glue these things together to make it into a box. I'll get back to you once this is all assembled.
Hey, what are you doing?
And it has abs and everything. Damn!
I haven't seen it yet. So you see, Bogdan and I have been hitting the gym for a few months, but like...
Is this what protein powder does? Oh! How do you even get into your shirts?
I needed help from 2 people.
Oh.
Daryl's in the gym. Let's go show him up.
Oh wait, what?
This is a fully natural body.
He's roided out.
Ever since we did the Hulk fist smash video, that kind of like made me want to smash more things. So I thought, what if we did the Juggernaut? So I bought this giant muscle suit. Now I just need to make myself a metal helmet, some metal hands, some metal boots, some metal knee pads, and I'll be able to go ham. It's a Juggernaut.
You should try arm wrestling people.
Alright, who wants to arm wrestle me? Tyler.
Damn! Ian has the skinny muscle suit on. Oh! He left. Oh no! What happened?
I was off the ground hanging.
Chris is here.
Oh my god. Did we get chairs or anything? No, we got squat. Ooh, Iron Ring v Iron Ring, boys. Who's gonna officiate this?
On the left we have Chris. On the right we have James. Natural
All
muscles.
natural F.
This is what happens when you subscribe to the Hacksmith. You get these muscles. Chris is struggling.
Oh, the leverage is going down on my side. I need a muscle suit. I am undefeatable. No one has defeated.
They're constant.
When you get as strong as me, sometimes you break things by accident, you know?
Oopsie.
What are they made with plastic screws? I know what you're doing this afternoon, Tyler.
God damn it. That's what I spend company money on. The ultimate test, can I remove my shirt?
He did it.
My shoulders. Now, that is a quality engineered by Hacksmith shirt. Guaranteed to fit no matter how big you are. Only available at Hacksmith.store. Hacksmith.store. Engineered by Hacksmith. Hacksmith.store.
Oh! Oh, how many was that?
I was like, 4?
Yeah.
Changes? Let's go higher. Let's give me more time.
Oh, oh.
Higher. I wanted to learn juggling, but I thought it was going to take me a while, and then really
Damn.
faster than expected.
You can buy Caleb's special class at
Masterclass.ca. The .ca stands for Caleb.
Okay, while James practices his 3-ball toss, what other juggling tools do you have?
Oh, I have a variety of tools.
Sure.
Alright, we got some nice multicolored rings. You just juggle them.
Do you do the
Theory
same
is
thing?
the same, but the catch is different because you're grabbing through the ring.
How are you doing that? How are you changing sides? Oh! Oh my god!
Some juggling trick
Ooh.
called cigar box juggling. So these, you have 2 boxes that you hold on to, and then a third one that's in the middle.
Oh my gosh.
There you have it.
So in the 20 minutes we've been practicing, do you feel like a professional now?
I'd say I'm getting there.
Yeah, you're doing it pretty consistently now. Oh!
I still have a little problem walking forward, but
Okay, I'd say this class was a success. Thank you, Caleb, for giving us this class.
you're very welcome.
I learned a lot.
Happy to spread the joy of juggling to our
Yes.
many viewers.
James has learned in like those 25 minutes we've done it, which is impressive. Oh! Oh! What a good way to end this segment. So,
We're trying to get James to chill out. So we're shooting a Zen sponsorship. And he's really zened out, you could say.
Yeah, we got it. I think we got it. Perfect.
how long has it been since you've been meditating?
A few minutes at least. It kind of felt nice.
It's like an interesting
Maybe I should
experiment
start
to see,
meditating.
how long someone will go after we press record.
I didn't hear a cut, so I kept going. That's a sign of a true actor.
Method acting over there.
Jeff, you're in. Nice. Jeff, you get out. Josh, you get out. Josh, you can come back in. Okay. Yeah, keep going up. Yeah, Josh out.
Luckily, I can shop with ease and find some balance in my life.
What are you doing?
We didn't roll yet.
I wasn't rolling. Rolling.
James, you can say I found my Zen.
What are you doing?
I found my Zen.
Do a dab at the end.
And action.
What are you doing?
I found my Zen.
Hell yeah.
What do you want to...
I'm not
Got
sure
him.
what I should do. Let's do one more where we just make Ian come closer. Okay.
Rolling.
What are you doing?
I found my Zen.
A little, maybe a little.
So tall.
It's so tall.
Can you be less tall? Ian wants me. Yeah, do that. Yeah, that's good.
That's good?
That's good. It's great. That's all we need. Sorry.
All we need.
You want to get a pick up with this? I'm gonna walk.
Alright, Owen, it's day 2 from yesterday's plastic cutting. I got the box ready. So this is what it was going to look like. It's nice and small. Here's the final version.
Nice and compact.
Nice and compact, yeah, it's like very sleek. Now it's time for the first test. You can still see. There you go. I'll put it together better in a minute. This is just so what we use at the shop is OpenHab, and OpenHab allows us to kind of connect a whole bunch of devices together. It also allows you to have like a very simple user interface with it. And here's the buttons that I just laid out into the interface. So imagine if somebody walked up to the door downstairs and they pressed the doorbell.
Unit 5. Reception doorbell has been rung.
and we could stop it midway if we want to. So the whole entire system gets controlled by that. On here, we'll be uploading a whole bunch of more commands, noises. Maybe, I don't know, Owen, you got some memes?
Do the Metal Gear alert sound. Okay, we're here. We're gonna test it.
Final product. We got screws in, everything's nice, shiny. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. So we're here to test it. We are currently in the editing room, and Owen, we need an outlet.
How about that?
When we plug it in, give it a few seconds.
Backup activated. System rebooted.
There you go. So now you know that it's turned on. So what we're going to test right now is if I press the doorbell, we need to make sure that that thing specifies which doorbell to press. So we're going to start off, I'm going to first press the doorbell that's on that side of it, then I'm going to press the one that's on this side of the window, so that way it should differentiate. You tell me if it worked.
Sounds good.
Unit 5. Shipping doorbell has been rung.
Okay, that works. That works.
Unit 5. Reception doorbell has been rung.
It works.
Okay, let's go.
Nice.
Give it to James.
Woo, let's give it to James.
James. He has the speaker. It's much smaller than before.
Nice. Plug this in into my desk.
Backup activated. System rebooted.
That's pretty sweet.
So I got some buttons for you. Did you test them out? We already tested the doorbell, and it works. It tells you exactly which door it does. Yep.
Unit 5. Reception doorbell has been rung.
Yeah.
Nice.
Unit 5. Shipping doorbell has been rung. Unit 3 doorbell has been rung.
And my favorite. Anytime we crack 1 million views, all these speakers will start playing the song 1 Million Views by Goldfish, my favorite song. And I think it's an amazing idea, but it's probably gonna get really annoying really fast because we get about 1 million views a day. So it's just gonna, like if we do it over our total view count, it's just gonna like once every 24 hours, it's gonna be like, at some point, 1 million views.
Does it play the whole song?
It does. We can only play the first 7 seconds for you guys. Otherwise, we get demonetized. That's awesome, Alex. Nice work. So now we just need to sprinkle these throughout the office.
Yes.
We are one step closer to automation, full automation.
Ooh, Jarvis in a box.
Ooh. In a door, in a box.
Awesome. Nice work, Alex.
We did it.
Well, that's one more step to having a full Jarvis automation system in the shop. Pretty cool, right? You know what else is cool? Hacksmith.store!